Namaste ji. Welcome to Utsav Yoga YouTube channel. My name is Dipansh Agrawal. I'm a certified yoga teacher. Today we're going to learn and practice some breathing exercises. These are very important for keeping our lungs healthy and for the optimum flow of pran, which is our life force throughout our body. So let's get started. Come stand up on your mats. First we'll go for hand stretch breathing. You can keep your feet together. If this is not possible, you can have a little distance also between your feet. Slowly raise your palms up, interlock your fingers, bring your palms on your chest. Slowly inhale and rise up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Feel the expansion of the lungs as you inhale up. Exhale down. Go very easy. Practice safely. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. And exhale down. Slowly relax. Release your hands. Take a moment here. Next we're going for is hand stretch breathing, the second variation. Extend your hands in front of your chest. Slowly inhale and open your arms. Exhale, close. Open your arms as long as you inhale. Exhale and close. Inhale and open. Exhale and close. Inhale and open. Exhale and close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. One more round. Inhale and open. Exhale and close. Slowly bring your hands back. Take a moment here. Next, open your legs a little wider than your shoulders. Hands by the side. Slowly inhale and raise your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bring your hands down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Go very easy. As you feel comfortable, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Slowly relax. Take a moment here. Next practice we're going for is a little dynamic practice. So if you have back pain, please refrain from practicing and you can repeat the previous practice. Feet are open, firmly rooted on the ground. Slowly inhale and raise your arms up. Exhale and bend forward. Touch the ground. Completely exhale. Slowly inhale, come up. Look up. Exhale down. Inhale 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 up. And exhale down. Slowly come back and relax yourself. Come sit down. We'll do some practices sitting down. Come sit down in any comfortable posture. Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana, Padmasana, whichever posture you feel most comfortable in. Next practice we're going for is sectional breathing. So our torso has three parts: the abdomen, the thoracic and the clavicular. We'll breathe from each part separately and then all together. So first we'll do a few rounds of abdominal breathing. Place your right palm on your abdomen, on your navel. As you inhale in, swell your belly. Breathe in through the belly. As you exhale out, Take it back in. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in and exhale out. Slowly relax. Take a moment here. Slowly, we will move towards the next practice. We'll breathe through our thoracic now. As you inhale, try to bring your breath completely in your thoracic, and as you exhale out, empty your thoracic completely. So let's do a few rounds of thoracic breathing. Place your palm on your chest, on your heart. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale into the thoracic. Exhale out. In the heart. Exhale out. Slowly relax. Take a moment here. Moving forward, next we will breathe through our clavicular. Clavicular is our collarbone just below our neck and above our heart. So this region is our clavicular region. So few rounds of clavicular breathing. Inhale in. Exhale out. 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 One more round. Inhale in. Exhale out. Relax yourself. Take a moment. Feel the changes from the practice. Next, we will go for yogic deep breathing, which is combining all three together: abdomen, thoracic, and clavicular. So as you inhale, your breath starts filling from the belly all the way up, and as you exhale, from the top all the way down to your belly. Let's start a few rounds. I'll use my hand to give the motion. You can keep your hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra, Chin Mudra, any mudra of your choice. Come, let's start a few rounds of yogic deep breathing. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. You can also close your eyes as you practice. Few more rounds. Inhale in. Exhale out. One more time. Inhale in. Exhale out. Slowly relax yourself. Take a moment here. See the changes from the practice. Slowly we'll move forward. Let's go for a few rounds of alternate nostril breathing, also called as Anulom Vilom Pranayam. First we will do with single nostrils. First with the left nostril, few rounds, then with the right nostrils, and then Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So make the Pranav Mudra with your right hand. Fold your first two fingers, the index finger and the middle finger. Bring it in front of your face. With your thumb, close your right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Exhale out. Inhale up. Exhale down. very comfortably as you feel comfortable. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. One more time. Inhale up, exhale down. Slowly close your left nostril with your ring finger. We'll do some breathing from the right nostril now. Inhale in, exhale out. Inhale in, exhale out. Inhale in, exhale out. Inhale in, exhale out. Few more rounds. Inhale in, exhale out. Inhale in, exhale out, and relax yourself. Next, we will practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam, alternate nostril breathing. First, inhale and exhale through both the nostrils. Close your right nostril, inhale through the left. Close your left nostril, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale to the left. This is one round. Let's practice a few more rounds together. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Go very easy, very comfortably. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Slowly release your hand. Feel the changes from the practice. Take a deep breath in through both the nostrils. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Slowly join your palms in front of your chest in Namaskar Mudra. Place your palms on your eyes. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Namaste. I hope you liked today's practice. Be sure to practice this every day, preferably twice a day, early in the morning and then in the evening. Tell us how you liked the practice and subscribe to the channel for more informative yoga videos. Namaste.